it so many times, but it still doesn't work.
Lately, I feel like everything happening at the same time. Coding errors, group project, presentation, everything is piling up. I don't even know where to start.
Yeah, I can totally relate. This semester feels heavier than the last one. Sometimes just opening my planner already makes me overwhelmed because it's completely full.
Same here, and the more stress I get, the harder it is to focus. Then the tasks pile up, and the stress gets even worse. It's like a vicious cycle.
Exactly. Stress makes us tired, and then we got procrastinate, and then after that we got more even stress. It just loops like endlessly.
But talking about like this kinda helps. Makes me realize we're going through this alone.
Yeah, stress is normal for students. What matters is how we cope with it. Maybe today we can share our coping strategies.
Good idea. Let's help each other to survive this semester.
For me, the thing that stresses me is the most deadlines. Sometimes in 1 week, there are 3 or 4 assignments due. I get confused about which one to start first.
Totally. When the deadlines stack up like that, it feels suffocating. Like you trying to work on one, but your minds keep thinking about the others. In the end, nothing gets done.
I'm the type who easily overthinks. Even simple tasks can feel heavy when my thoughts go everywhere. It's exhausting. My energy drains before I even start working.
Do you guys also feel guilty when taking a break? Like, even though we need a rest, we feel guilty for leaving our tasks.
All the time. I feel like eating or sleeping in a hectic week makes us feel guilty.
Yeah, the stress doesn't just come from the workload, but also from the pressure to be perfect.
But the more we understand what stresses us, the easier it is to find ways to cope.
Agreed. Speaking of coping, let's share our own strategies.
For me, exercising helps a lot, but it doesn't have to be intense. A 20-minute walk or a bit of stretching already enough to clear my head.
For me, it's a music. I just play my favorite songs and relax for the moment. Usually after that, my mind feels more clear.
I like journaling. When my thoughts are chaotic, writing them down makes everything feel lighter. The problems look smaller and on paper.
I tried journaling once too. It actually helps. Maybe I should start again.
Everyone has different coping methods. Some people exercise, some listening to music, some pray, and some talk to friends.
What matters is that it's healthy and helps us before the stress builds up too much.
To-doist helps me a lot. Like, I write down all of my tasks and then chart them by priorities. What looked overwhelming become more manageable.
True, when everything is just in your head, it feels chaotic. But when written down, it becomes more structured.
I like breaking big tasks into smaller steps. The way it doesn't feel too heavy. Just focus on finishing one small step first.
Okay. Don't forget to rest. Like, sometimes we push ourselves too much when our bodies just need a small break.
Exactly. Even a 5 minutes break can refresh us.
Healthy habits matter a lot, not just for finishing tasks, but to prevent burnout.
Stress is normal, but how we deal with it is what matters. We all carry our own burdens. Support each other so no one feels alone.
That's right. To everyone watching this, if today feels heavy, that's okay. You are human, not machine.
Take a deep breath and remember, you are already doing your best, and that's enough.
Don't compare your journey to anyone else. Everyone has their own rhythm, their own process, and their own capacity.
You are not alone. Stress is normal, feeling tired is normal, and needing rest is completely human.
Stay strong and never forget your well-being matters.
Cheers!